Oh fan, let's go find the car. Muddy cart and the Mikrian. Let's go. Wow. Amazing, my friend. What is that? So many muddy cars here. Who are that? Looks so muddy. Okay, I'm sure this will be here again. Nether. Yes, it is. Oh, amazing, my friend, so amazing. Okay, this one and that one. Great, let's go. We agreed to take one by one, my friends. Right. Okay. Oh, kind of prop. Let's go clean it up, my friend. Right here. Gauge. Whoa, look at that. Wastewater. Beautiful. Right. What is this? Oh, tire, my friend.
You took it, didn't you?
What? No, why would I?
What do you mean, why? You were jealous?
Very nice. Okay. What it fits? Kind of monster truck. Bigfoot. Very good. This one is, what is this? Oh, well. Nice. Big truck. Okay, and this one is Nate Green, my friend. Get that beautiful milkware. Very nice. And this one, what is this? Wow, the dinosaurs. Okay. And this one is a tiger.
Time the cub returns, there's no place for him.
Very nice. What is it? None is Spanish. A rally car. Oh, wow. Rally car. Very good. And this one is a fire rescue bike. Fire rescue. Good. This is a forest car. Beautiful. What is this? Whoa, Diogen.
Okay, I'm off.
Very nice. And what is this? Oh, lion. Very good. For Joe nothing. And this one is the tire of Captain of America. Nice. What is this? Loud. Very good, I like it. Double cabin, crown of Jeep, my friend.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get on safe, so I'm taking 6 shots on.
Okay. And this one is a loader. Woohoo, loader. Okay. This one is what is this? Oh well, a Formula 1, my friend. Very nice. And last one, this is, what is this? Well, this is a dump truck, my friend. Very good. Okay, let's go again, my friend. Okay, hurry up, my friend. Okay, let's go. Alright, my friend. What is this? Is this an ambulance? Well, nice. This one with the Thomas house. Beautiful. Alright. This one is a who of my plan. Very good. This one is how is this? Whoa, magic. Come on.
An Arabian camel. Introduced in the 1800s by early explorers.
Very nice. This one is what is that? Ooh, playing my friend. Very good. This one is Dinosaurus Tyrannically. I don't know, my friend. Oh, amazing. What is this? A green tile.
Logie, can I take this with me?
Of course!
Let's go. This one is a rent car. Very good. What is this? Dog Hudson or what? I don't know, my friend. Look at this. Nice. This one says yield. I like it, my friend. Very good. This one is a rally car. Oh, nice. Okay, this one is a rally car. Okay, the last one is a Jeep, my friend. You got fit, nice Jeep. Very good. Well, we are dead, my friends. No more. Okay, see? Green out ID. I'll see you.